up, baby girls? Welcome to UniqueFX Makeup. It's your girl Pinky. So here is my guest, and we're gonna be doing something crazy. So here we got some sticks right here. So if you're interested, what we're gonna do, find out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Also follow me on Rumble. Rumble is the same thing as YouTube. The only difference is that Rumble, you can put any music you want in the background, and they don't get you for copyrighted. That's the difference, and they pay you as well. All right, let's get to it. Here's the sticks. We got some blood, some liquid latex, and we're gonna be using some of this party paper right here from decorations. You can use toilet paper as well, but I'm gonna use this paper cotton as well. You can use cotton too. And we got some foundation and some body paints. So we're gonna get started. I forgot one more thing. I need to get foundation for your skin tone, so let me grab that. You see the box over there that is pink? You mind getting that, please? Yeah. Okay. So first thing, we're gonna start with some liquid latex. This, you must be careful when you put it on because it could go on your clothes and it's hard to take it off. So I'm gonna put some right here on his arm. Just like that.
Oh, that's chunky.
And with my fingers, I'm just gonna create it like that.
Oh, that's chunky.
We want to make it like, I want to make it like burn kind of. So I'm just gonna stick like this. What's happening?
Pop up.
I'm just putting the latex on top of it, and I'm just moving it around. So we're gonna create some skin to make it look like some skin. Just like that.
It dries fast.
So I'm just gonna spray more.
Okay. It dries fast, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna move it up fast. And just put it around your arms. Okay, and just moving around.
Just like mix it.
Yep, I'm just mixing it around like that. See? Bam. And now we're gonna wait for that to dry. We're gonna put some baby powder. Baby powder helps it for it to dry. So I'm gonna grab some. And just like that, and then just brush it. Dip it. Oh, see, it's getting there.
It dries fast because
you can even use the blow dryer.
Yeah, it dries fast because when you put too much, when you put that, it makes it mixes, and then when chemicals get together, it dries. It just dries.
Yep, it starts to dry. So I'm just gonna mix it up like that. And I'm just gonna brush it. We gonna shake it up. There we go. So let's put it on.
For a second, I even forgot we were on video.
For real, you forget. So we have options here between this and this, but I really like this one. So wait for that. And then
you could pick any tree branch.
Now I'm just gonna color it like that.
Just that has to be dry, right?
Yeah, it has to be dry. Now I'm just making it, gently picking a hole in this. Let me see, arm like this, a little bit more like this. So it's gonna go in.
I'm gonna keep this the whole night.
And I'm just gonna gently put it in there. So the skin.
It looks like I fell off a tree, got hit by many branches, probably got slapped by a squirrel.
Like it's popping out.
Yep. It looks
Just
like I'm
like
about to
that.
die.
You see, you guys?
Now it looks like I'm about to die. So if I move my hand like this, it has to stay.
They started to use this one. Now we have some foundation that is close to his skin tone. And I'm just gonna put it around there. And then I'm gonna go in with the sponge.
Just pressure it down.
Yeah, I'm just going in with the sponge. I'm just gonna go in, gear the whole thing, cover it up. Make sure I get in here. I'm gonna get this because this is like the skin. And also in here.
Shouldn't be pulling too much.
I'm just gonna and then same here like that. Does it feel weird? No? So you guys, this is like a last minute thing you could do. It's not taking long, maybe like 15-30 minutes to do this look. This is a fast look we're going to be doing.
Maybe up to 10 minutes.
Well, not 10 minutes, because we still need to add blood and all that.
No, because if we're doing fast motion on video, it's like 10 minutes.
Oh, that's the editing.
For real.
That's when you edit and stuff. And then I'm just gonna grab another one. Just make sure I get inside as well. And
just pushing down.
Getting it. Bam.
It looks like I'm blasting something off. To space.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some black eyeshadow.
Black, don't be racist now.
I'm not being racist, I'm just saying we're gonna go in with some black eyeshadow. Okay, we're gonna scoop that foundation that way, and then I'm gonna go inside in here. I want this to show black, to look dark. I want to look like kind of burned looking. So it does not have to be perfect. You could do it messy because it's going to be a messy look.
Like usual.
Yep. So it doesn't matter. It does not have to be perfect. So you see that? Let's go in. It's so much funner when you're doing this kind of looks on somebody else and you're doing it on yourself, because it gets boring doing it on yourself.
And when you do it on somebody else,
it's more funner.
Yup.
Way funner.
Oh, and if you can't dry the skin, what is it called? The next thing?
Oh, the liquid latex?
Yeah, you could just use a fan.
Oh yeah, you could use a fan as well. I'm just sticking it like this. In. Now, after we use the black, I'm gonna use some red. And by the way, this is red right here. I made it. I made this color red. You can check on that on one of my videos how you do it.
Wait, you made that color?
Yeah, I made this.
I thought you made another one. I don't know.
No, I know how to make body paints. I know how to make colors.
I saw you make like this one, but I don't know.
I'm putting some red on the stick just to make it look like some blood. We're still gonna add some blood, but still I want to put some color. And I want to use some pink, some light pink. So we're gonna use some of this right here.
Like that thing. So I can move my hand in it.
I'm gonna use some of this peach. Put it right here.
When you're pushing it down, it slides down. So I'm just putting it.
It's a little bit more black. Some here. Okay, so here it looks like this. This is how it looks.
Wait.
Bam. Let's go. Bam. Now we put it back in. Sorry about that, baby girls or baby boys. I'm trying to hide my long hair. Okay, now the fun part. The blood. So
that's probably the most funnest thing of the whole makeup.
yeah, the blood. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here.
You were not lying about it getting on your pants.
Yeah.
These are school.
Now I'm just gonna put here. Try and get your hand away from my laptop, so I don't want the blood to fall on it. So Shusha, stop it.
No, that feels weird.
So
What's your Shusha?
so now watch how you dropping my clothes.
Oh well, she's throwing. She threw the mannequin.
So now it looks like this. And we're all done. So this is about like 20-15 minutes makeup look you could do.
Wouldn't we put it like...
Or you can even add right here. You could just add some blood, like that's all. But I have some gooey stuff I'm gonna use that I can use, but I don't know where I put it, so we can make it look like that. But there you go. Now I'm gonna get my phone and take a picture of it. So this could be like a last minute look you could do, you guys, from home, just finding this in your yard.
Since Halloween is coming up, this look is the look.
Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Peace.
So before you guys go, what do you think? What do you think of it?
I'm gonna die.
Alright, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.
See you in the hospital. Bye.
See your palo. Go show her. What do you think, Ma? Looks real?
You know when I echar una gotita. Ah, you have it. You already have it.
Yeah, I already have
Yeah.
it. Alright, you guys. Now go scare your mama.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Is that what I